to change the spark plugs on a Ford 1.25 engine. It's the same on most zetec engines. This is on a Mark 7 Ford Fiesta, but again it's the same on most zetec engines, even if they're slightly bigger displacement. Start off by removing the HT lead. So to get that, don't put it by the wire because you'll damage it. Get it from as close to the centre as possible and then just pop it up like that and remove it. And you can do them one at a time. That will stop you from accidentally putting them in the leads in the wrong place, although because of the length of them it will be hard to get them in the wrong place anyway. But we're just going to do one at a time. So once you've done that, you should be able to see you've got the spark plug just in there. So get your spark plug tool and then start to loosen it off. Once you've cracked it free, then you should be able to do the rest by hand. That's the first spark plug out. Get the new one and just compare it to the old one to make sure they're the same length and size, which this is. Then put it on the spark plug socket and that will hold it in place. Then put it in and start to tighten it up by hand. If it feels like it goes quite hard and stiff to begin with, back it off because it means it's going to be cross-threaded, and then go again. And then just tighten it up. You don't need to tighten it up fully because then you're going to torque it at the end. So once you've got that in and you've torqued it up, get your HT lead in again and put that in, and then just push it in as much as you can. And you hear that little click, that means it's in. Next we're going to move on to the next cylinder. So get it and just put it up by hand. Leave that out of the way. Get your spark plug tool. That's it, crack it free. And just loosen the rest by hand. That's it. Once you've removed it, do the same with the other one. Get the new one, put it on the spark plug tool, put it in, tighten it up a little bit and then torque it up. Once you've torqued that up, get the HT lead, put that back in, wait for it to click, just like that, and then again move on to the next one. Just loosen it off. Remove it, and then get a new one, put it in, start doing it up by hand. Tighten it up slightly, and then torque it up, and then make sure it's torqued up. Then get your HT lead and pop that back in. I'm going to leave this one out actually just to make it so there's a little bit more space to get to the fourth one. That's it, just because of how short the lead is. Then put the tool in. Start to loosen it. and do the rest by hand. Then remove it, and then get your last spark plug, put that in, and start doing it up. And start doing it up by hand, but not fully, and then torque it down. Once it's torqued down, remove your tool, put the HT lead back in place, put the third one back in, and that's it, now you're done.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.